This health nugget will be about carrots. What does the Bible say about vegetables? Genesis 1:29 states, "And God said, Behold, I have given you every herb-bearing seed which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree in which is the fruit of a tree yielding seed. To you it shall be for meat." What are carrots? Carrots are a root vegetable known for their crunchy texture, bright color, and high nutritional value, particularly as a source of beta-carotene and vitamin A. They are a bi-yearly plant cultivated primarily for its edible taproot. While orange is the most common color, some varied varieties can be purple, red, yellow, or white. Carrots belong to the umbellifer family, which also includes parsnip, celery, and parsley. The plant produces feathery green leaves above the ground and store nutrients in its carrot-shaped roots, which grows underground. What benefits do carrots give? Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for keeping healthy vision, immune function, and skin care. They also have vitamin C, K, and several B vitamins, as well as minerals like potassium and manganese, supporting health heart, blood clotting, and metabolic processes. Carrots are high in dietary fiber, which aids digestion, promotes satiety, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. They also supply antioxidants, including carotenoids and polyphenols, which help protect the body against oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and lower risks of chronic disease, such as cardiovascular disease and certain cancers. Additionally, the low-calorie content of carrot makes them a nutrient-dense, weight-friendly food for a balanced diet. Including carrots regularly can contribute to enhanced eye health, improve immunity, and digestive support and overall well-being. Why carrots good? Part two. Eye health. Carrots support healthy vision and may reduce the risk of eye diseases. Heart health. They can help lower cholesterol level and support overall heart health. Cancer prevention. Carrots have been linked to reduce of certain cancers. Digestive health. Their fibers content aids in digestion and promotes gut health. What happens if you eat too much carrot? Eating too many carrots can lead to several effects. Most notably, carotenemia occurs where the skin turns yellow-orange due to excessive beta-carotene, which is harmless and resolves when intake is reduced. Digestive discomfort such as gas, bloating, constipation, or rare diarrhea can occur due to high fiber content. While carrots hold provitamin A rather than performed vitamin A, extreme high intake combined with other vitamin A sources could theoretically contribute to hypervitaminosis A, though this is rare. Over-reliance on carrots may cause nutrient imbalances, potentially affecting absorption of minerals like iron or zinc and limiting dietary diversity. Because carrots have natural sugars, remarkably high consumption could lead to slightly affect blood sugar levels, particularly in individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. How do you grow carrots? Prepare the soil. Carrots need loose, well-draining soil free of rocks and debris to allow their roots to grow straight and long. Add compost to improve fertility and structure. Sow the seeds. Carrot seeds about 1/4 inch deep, 1 to 2 inches apart in rows spaced 12 to 18 inches apart. Carrot seeds are tiny and may take 10 to 21 days to germinate. Provide consistent water. Keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Carrots require about 1 inch of water per week. Mulching can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Thin seedlings. When seedlings are about 2 inches tall, thin them to maintain about 2 to 3 inches between plants. This ensures enough space for the roots to develop properly. Harvest at the right time. Carrots are typically ready 60 to 80 days after planting, depending on the variety. What are some things you can make with carrots? Carrot ginger turmeric soup, a creamy and immune boosting soup made with carrots, ginger, turmeric, and coconut milk. Perfect as a light lunch or starters. Moroccan carrot salad. Grated carrots tossed with cumin, paprika, olive oil, or lemon juice with fresh cilantro. Carrot juice with turmeric and ginger. Nutrient-packed and lightly sweetened juice to enjoy raw carrot benefits. Roasted carrot and quinola salad. Perfect for a complete meal prep choice. Quinola adds protein and fiber, combined with roasted carrots and a tangy dressing. Carrot and chickpea stew. Blend carrots and chickpeas and aromatic spices for nutritious, filling dinner and possibilities. Sources are fastkitchen.com, nutrientadvance.com, healthline.com, and extension missstate.edu.
Amen. Thank you, Brother Justin.
You're welcome.